Alright guys, congratulations, you finally made it through the very first AJAX example. Now we can go ahead and see if this frickin' thing works. So, it says enter the food that we would like to order. Well, let's see if they have apples. Sorry punk, we do not sell no apples. Well, that's kind of rude, but okay, let's see if I can order any tuna. Of course, they do have tuna. And let's see if they have bacon. They don't have any bake on. Once we finish typing it, we do have bacon. Alright, this AJAX program and also this food store is freaking awesome. So now let me go ahead and talk you guys through one more time exactly how it was made. The very first thing we did is we just created a very simple interface for the user. Now this interface also linked to the JavaScript file. So here is the interface right here, and this is the only thing that the user is able to see. Now basically what happens is they go ahead and type in something like bacon. Now what happens? Well, it links to the JavaScript file, so in the JavaScript file, the very first thing that the JavaScript file does is it creates this XML HTTP request object. Now what this object does is it allows you to communicate with the server behind the scenes. It's actually a very powerful object. So basically, whenever the user types something, it takes whatever input they typed, in this instance bacon, and it sends it off to the PHP file. Now the PHP file is just going to go ahead and check in the store or on the server to say, okay, do we have bacon? And it's going to send back a message either saying we do or sorry we don't sell that, and it's going to send it back to the JavaScript file in the form of an XML document. Now the JavaScript file, again, whenever it gets that message back, what it's going to do is it's going to dissect the XML document, and it's basically going to find the message and then set some element on your HTML file equal to that message. So that's basically what's happening behind the scenes. Again, this is what the user sees, and your JavaScript file and your PHP file are going to constantly talk back and forth. The JavaScript file is going to send a request, and the PHP is going to send it back an answer in the form of an XML document, and whenever it gets that answer, it's going to update your HTML file. So that is how a very simple program in AJAX works. And in the next couple tutorials, what I want to do is I want to talk to you guys about security and also show you guys how to build, one of those things from Google where it's like it guesses what you're trying to query. And I also want to show you guys how to validate forms. And I want to do a bunch of other stuff. And also, I should mention this. I'm finally going to be showing you guys how to add the functionality to the website I was talking to you guys about whenever you like a status or you want notifications to show up on the right hand side of your web page. And trust me, this tutorial series is going to be awesome. But for now, thank you guys for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.